New slimes are here, and my biggest Black Friday sale is next week. Frosty Fizz Fun, crispy, sizzly Snow Fizz Bingsu slime that has all the wonder of winter in one amazing slime. It smells like festive vanilla bean and comes with delightful snowman charms. This thick and glossy Happy Hanukkah slime is sure to be a favorite with its irresistible huckleberry scent and plenty of bubble pops. It's the perfect Hanukkah surprise for anyone who loves slime. Meowie Christmas is a thick and glossy slime that is packed with Christmas spirit and bubbly pops, featuring a nice ice-kissed berries scent. Under the Tree White Glue Bingsu is like experiencing a whimsical winter wonderland. It's got satisfying crunchy sounds and it's scented with a blend of my favorite holiday scents, mostly Christmas trees, cranberries, and cinnamon. Our Jelly Slime Noel is here to turn Christmas up a notch. You can smell the sweetness of strawberry sugar cookies as you stretch and squish this juicy slimy magic in your hands.